Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, the Brightest Witch, and HeHe 026. I've started off with Peel Ease, and then I've got the Brightest Witch from Moonshine Manny. So excited to play with this one. Gonna cap my free edge first, and then we're gonna go in with this polish, and I love this. All the components in this is just perfect. Okay, now there's nothing wrong with the polish. I had put on my base coat and then I had to go out and move my car, so I had to put my jacket on. So I've got some fuzzies like stuck to my base coat. So just ignore that. Just, you know. Ugh, what a mess. No way I was going outside without a jacket. It's freezing here. But we're going to have to just blend those fuzzies in. Kind of like dog hair around here, you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. So the formula on this is amazing, considering it's got all those flakies and little bits and pieces in it. I'm in love. And you can see I'm not having to like really work to get them to spread around. Perfect. And there's a swatch photo of it on its own. Here is HeHe 026. It's one of the Harry Potter plates. I'll be using my beauty scraper and my my Conad stamper. And I'll be using Harmony from China Glaze to do my stamping today. I just decided it wasn't going to be a full-on Harry Potter manicure, but, you know, close enough. Isn't that pretty? Love how well that China Glaze stamps. I think I bought that whole collection just because I wanted to stamp with them. Bless you, cotton. So here we go with some more stamping. I am going to put this image on most of my nails. I will be doing an accent nail with a different image. Beautiful pickup on this plate. It's been a while since I've used any of my HeHe plates. So here we go. And I am just kind of rotating that image around to where it's not exactly the same on every nail. And I'm going to use this little like square design or plaid design, a weave, a tweed, I don't know. I'm going to use that on my ring fingernail. Didn't take up there at the top, so I'm going to try to do a little doctoring here. There we go, tap tap. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess polish real quick. I loved this manicure. I was really happy with it. Go in, do some acetone cleanup here. Get all the nooks and crannies. So I will be topping it with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. And here we go. I'm going to let that dry completely, and then I'm going to top it off with Pure Ice Girl on the Run. Really good top coat. Highly recommend if you see this in that double pack at your Dollar Tree, snatch it up because it's some good stuff, especially when you can get it for 50 cents. I'm still looking. Capping my free edge there. Ta-da! So here we go with some of that manicure in motion business I've been doing here lately when I can remember. I do have a still photo coming up real soon. And I would love to hear what you think about this one, so leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.